What's up, guys? Welcome to the podcast. Nico here with Graham. Wala si Mario since it's a Saturday night and he has a date. And alam naman natin how we're supposed to be na pagdating sa date. Doon tayo sa mga una nating boss next time na yung
Yes.
podcast. Pero
Yes.
congrats, by the way, Gilas Pilipinas winning against Iraq. Pero not to not to be a downer, no. Again, Pilipino tayo lahat. We love our national team. Pero I kinda had to agree a while ago nung sinasabi ng mga commentators na this was a win, yes, for the Philippines, but it's not a convincing win. And I completely agree with that one, especially na yes, we gotta give credits to Dwight Ramos, 21 points. Uh, would you believe, Grim? He is the only one that scored in
Double
double digits.
digits.
It's only
Yeah.
Dwight Ramos, 21. The next closest was AJ Edu with 9, and then Justin Brownlee with 8. Pero ayun, no, it's more of the reason why we're saying na it is not a convincing win for the Philippines since the first half was really bad, no? This is a ranked number 92 team that led for majority of the game, I would say 60%
They
of the game kasi we took the
yeah.
last 40% eh. Or parang
I think
basta
I was
the
looking
first
at
half
the
was really
stat.
bad.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah. No,
Yeah,
I agree. I was looking at the stat earlier. I think 17 minutes nag-lead yung Iraq, and then
okay.
we
Ay,
led
okay.
for
17:47. So
parang ganon,
50%,
no?
50-50 ito, time leading.
Yeah.
Iraq was leading
Yeah.
17:49, tayo 17:47. So
Oh, they led more
parang
than we did.
yeah, pero that's not the point. No, we won. Yes. Oh, we won.
Yeah,
Pero yung
oo.
mga problems natin are still there. Yung mga what we were saying, the 3 points, ang dami nating na give up for Iraq. Then again, you could say that some of them were lucky kasi nagko-close out
Mm-hmm.
na tayo, but we
You're
cannot
still hitting
afford to
it.
have a slow start. Right? We cannot afford to have a slow start from here on out kasi the next loss will mean reclassification na. That means we cannot make it to the finals. Pero ayun,
Yeah.
we will have Saudi most likely no yung mga kalaban natin to enter
Mm-hmm.
the quarters. Hopefully we beat Saudi. But focusing on this game against Iraq, I think this is the worst that I have seen Justin Brownlee in a long while in a FIBA jersey in a Gilas uniform.
This is the worst. Like
This is the
he
worst.
has
I
not.
haven't seen him play this bad since Ginebra.
That's true. And even sa Ginebra, he doesn't play this bad, di ba?
Mm.
The thing about it is he reminds us that he's a human after all.
Yeah,
Na
tao pala
napapagod
to
din
si
siya, di
Brownlee.
ba? No? I think less than 48 hours pa lang from the New Zealand game. If I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it was less than 48 hours from the New Zealand game where
Oo.
binigay na niya talaga yung buhay niya. So we cannot really blame the guy for struggling. I'm really happy that someone else picked up the slack, and by someone else I mean Dwight Ramos. He's the only one who really had the intention of being a spark on offense. Remember yung dalawang three-pointers niya, yun yung nag-trigger nung run in the third quarter that kind
Yes.
of well, that actually won the game because at that point it was over. Tapyas-tapyas na lang yung Iraq. But hey, you're right. Hindi pwedeng ganito lang tayo lagi na mabagal yung start. Imagine you did this against a ranked 92 team in the world. Imagine ginawa mo to against a ranked 50 team in the world,
At
or
least close,
someone
'di
in
ba?
our
At least
level.
close to our ranks in our level.
Oh, 'di ba? It's mahirap yung ganun na naghahabol ka lagi. And we did not have any business to trail against Iraq. I told you, and I'm not joking, like basketball is not one of their priorities talaga in this
Ay,
world, yung Iraq.
yeah.
They have they have other priorities
You have much bigger
in their
problems to think about.
oh, actually, yeah, in the
Uh,
region specifically, 'di ba? So
exactly.
all I'm saying is tayo yung country na sobrang diehard sa basketball. Like we do not even give opportunities sa soccer or football, which is the most popular sport in the world. And still we're struggling against a ranked 92 team. Sinabi ko to kanina nung nag-uusap tayo that
oh,
I'm happier after nung laro versus New Zealand versus after nung laro versus Iraq, which is weird because nanalo tayo sa Iraq, di ba? But I guess that's how it really goes, especially when you have such high expectations. Ano yung spread? 17 and a half, I think.
The spread was 19
Parang
and a
ganun.
half.
19.5, man. That means we're way, way, way better than them. That we should have blown them out by 25 at least.
At least, di ba? Or 20 kay 20 plus.
I agree. And then now it's either Iraq or sorry, the world, not the world really, but because we're not world leaders, but the competition has caught up with the Philippines, or
Mm.
we're we're getting worse at basketball on a global scale, di ba? Kasi we didn't Chinese Taipei, we used to beat them all the time, di ba? Now not anymore.
Na
So
two straight
that's
tayo
all I'm
ng
saying.
Chinese Taipei. Then again, we know na wala si Kai Soto, but still, a lot of people, lalo yung mga Pilipino, yung
Mm.
mga fans, expect a lot from the national team considering that this is the new era, di ba? So,
Oh.
ayun. Tapos meron din tayo nakita kanina about some lineups, no? That were a bit questionable na napansin natin.
Yeah,
Si Mario
was
didn't
it
like some of
ano?
the rotations na naging five daw si Carl when Carl was put to the
Yeah.
center spot. So it was a bit questionable as well. First half yun, di
To
ba?
Ligang Barangay? Yeah, is this Ligang Barangay that
Uh,
anyone above 6'3" is sentro agad, di ba? Actually, Ligang Barangay, anyone above 5'7" is
yeah,
sentro
sa
na, di ba?
center.
So no, I agree with that. Coach Tim has had a lot of questionable decisions in this tournament, man. Like, I don't know if it's age. I don't know if it's adjustment to the world stage. Dapat hindi na siya stranger dito, di ba? I don't
Mm.
know if this is lack of preparation, lack of scouting, but hey, yung mga lineup na ginagamit niya is, I mean, some of them are really questionable
Yeah,
in
some
getting
naman,
us.
some lang, not everything. Just some, just some.
Yan,
Especially in the
yeah.
first half na it
Mhm.
was glaring kasi we were trailing eh.
6, di ba? Something like that. And sabi ni Mario, when Iraq leads by 10, then I'm gonna be shaking my booty. Well, he was really close. Nag-cash in na ata siya sa
Nag-cash
GCash
in na siya
kasi
sa GCash.
he's really gonna do that promise na mamimigay siya ng GCash sa 10 tao. Luckily for him and for us, it did not happen. But hey, Coach Tim, uh, y- people will call us out dito, but he's not doing a good job. He's not doing a good job leading this team. I don't know if he's letting some personal agenda affect his his decision making, because there's a certain player that has 3 syllables in his last name that people want to see, Sat Aguilar, and
Aguilar.
hindi niya
Wait, we
talaga
saw Japet.
pinapasok.
Hey, we saw Japet Aguilar a while
Hey,
ago.
hey,
So okay na yun.
no
Natuwa
Japet
tayo
na,
doon.
yeah.
Yay, Japet!
Yeah, no Japet slander, man. Sabi ko
No
sa'yo, di
Japet
ba, hindi
slander
na
para sa
hindi na siya
bayan. Hindi na
dapat
niya choice to.
nandito.
Hindi niya choice to.
Yeah, hindi na. So no, no. But October 5, enemy number 1. Now, no, I'm your fan. Um so brother, all I'm saying is it, I'm gonna go to it. But hindi, di ba? Bakit di pinapasok si Jamie Malonzo, di ba?
Yeah.
So,
That's really weird. Especially that the articles already caught up. Now, okay, 3 games is too much. Like, alam na mga tao kasi that Jamie Malone is one of Coach Tim's favorite players.
mm,
Back with Ginebra, he plays more than 30 minutes.
bro, alam mo ng game 6 yung LA Tenorio game? That guy was 1 of 14. And he was in there sa crucial moments, di ba?
Exactly.
Tapos dito, against Iraq, hindi man lang siya maipasok. Mauna pa si CJ Perez. Although I think CJ is more reliable than Jamie
Right
in
now.
real
Oh,
life.
right.
Oo,
Yeah.
but still, 'di ba? Hindi man lang ba, wala man lang ba kahit 3 minutes si Jamie Malonzo? Do you think he cannot contribute? It's either of two things. The first one is BS, the second one is the truth. First one is either pumirma siya sa Japan and they're preserving him, ayaw nilang ma-injure, di
Yun yung
ba?
first
And
one. Yun yung first
you're
one.
they're
Okay.
they're just caring for Malonzo. That's BS. Second one is they did not support the Jamie Malonzo move to
Nagkatampuhan. Yun
Japan.
yung, again, these
Oo.
are theories, guys. These are theories. We're not
Mhm.
confirming anything. This is just what could possibly happening. Sinishare lang namin ano
Mhm.
sa tingin namin yung uh, why Jamie Malonzo is not playing right now for Gilas. And Graham,
Yeah.
gaya ng sinabi mo, there was a interview a while ago kay Coach Tim. Tinanong siya, bakit dinalo si Jamie? I read this article by Tiebreaker Times and he said that just like in his words, not mine, Coach
Mhm.
Tim. Just like in the US Olympic team, there will be sacrifices has to be made. And then he said, it's just like Jason Tatum. Na ano daw, na a talented guy, hindi lang daw mabigyan ng minutes. First of all, Jason Tatum has no association with Steve Kerr. Steve Kerr does not give an F about Jason Tatum. This is your guy. This is a guy you've been riding with ever since he's been with Ginebra. That's a completely different situation. So doon pa lang, mali. Just because he just looked for a wing, naghanap siya ng comparison. And hopefully that's the real case, no, Graham? Hopefully that's the real case. Because feel ko talaga na kinakailangan natin si Jamie sa Chinese Taipei game pa lang.
Yes,
We
sir.
needed that size, that length to at least bother Chen and the other wing players that have been killing us all throughout that game. We need someone to close out hard. And that's the exact prototype that you want. A 6'7" wing like Jamie. But then again, who knows? Maybe they just malay mo, it's the first one that they just want to protect him. Then okay. Okay.
Okay. Okay. So,
Okay.
di ba yung dalawa yung theory ko, it's either they want to protect him
That's one.
or nagtampo talaga sila.
Number two.
They did not separate
It's those two things lang, bro.
in in
Hindi mo pwede
in
sabihin
good
yung third.
terms.
Kung magdadagdag ka
Oo.
ng third, sasabihin mo matchup problems. Hindi yan matchup ano.
Yeah.
Hindi yan matchups ano lang, like di mo na siya nilalaro because it's not his time yet. That's how he ended the article. Sinabi yan na Jamie's time will come. Kailan? Kung kailan na tayo sa classification, ano? Tinatago ba
I'll
natin siya
ano.
for Australia? Kasi,
I
di ba? So, medyo frustrated lang ako kasi
ano,
kailangan
yeah.
natin si Jamie. Again, di naman tayo
For
coach,
sure.
but we needed Jamie for all of the blunders that he has made in the past. This is still you cannot you cannot find guys like him much in the Philippines na 6'7" na hindi sentro, 'di ba? So,
Tama, tama. And I'm gonna give a straight comparison dun sa mga hindi nakaka-relate. So the Titanic, I have two theories kung bakit lumubog yung Titanic. Number one,
oh.
hinatak siya ng mga alien pababa. Number
Okay,
two,
bro.
tumama sa iceberg, pinasok ng tubig, nahati sa
Okay.
gitna, lumubog. Okay, one of those BS, one of those theories is the truth. Just figure it out. Ganun ko lang makukumpara yun sa Jamie Malone sa thing. Like, you compare him to Jason Tatum. Tama ka dun, di ba? If ang coach ng
'Di
Team
ba?
USA was Joe Mazzulla or
Joe
if
Mazzulla. Exactly.
Joe
Magigets mo
Mazzulla
pa.
and hindi niya
Okay.
ginagamit si Jason Tatum, then I get it. That's the perfect comparison. But it's not even close. This is your guy. You rode with this guy when he was 1 for 14 in game 6.
He's
What are you
actually his
talking about?
favorite player and we are not gonna discuss who told me that, but sa atin na yan. Sabi ko sa ito, Greg.
Oh,
Like
I
sino
know.
nagsabi sa atin, yeah, 'di ba? So parang
Yeah, and again, brother, you can CJ and Jamie on any given day, di ba? Pick a player. You can't go wrong or probably can't go right either. But all I'm saying is we were not born yesterday to believe na Jamie Malonzo uh it- I'm gonna make the argument na he deserves the minutes more than Calvin of Tana, who by the way should be called Calvin of Tano because his shots are just not going. Every shot says no for Calvin of Tano, but hey, at least he hit a three-pointer kanina, di ba, in the fourth quarter. But Jamie Malonzo deserves minutes, man. Sana hindi mo na siya nilagay. Sana nilagay mo na dyan si Troy Rosario, di ba? I
exactly.
believe Troy
Parang
would have seen minutes. I believe RJ would have
might as
seen
well,
minutes.
sana tinanggal mo na lang completely. Kung
Mhm.
gano'n na, if it's theory number 2, sana just
Mhm.
remove him. Pero okay, just remove him. Don't try to prove a point na nagtampo kami eh. Sige, sali ka pero dali siya papa. That's so petty. Napaka-petty naman nun kung nandun pa tayo sa point na yun na it's
Yeah.
getting in the way of your as your duty as a head coach or the staff or kung sino man sa management nagsabi na gawin to. That is so unfair to everyone, 'di ba? Supporting the national team. Kasi kung
Di
ganun,
ba nga ano?
might
Di
as
ba
well
may
just remove
kasabihan?
him.
Yeah, di ba may kasabihan na ang
Oo.
problema iniiwan sa bahay? Like
Oh,
you should have left
exactly.
that in the Philippines unless Coach Tim specifically said to Jamie, I don't want you in the national team, but Jamie begged, please, I want to go to Saudi. I haven't been to
Ay,
Saudi yet.
wait, Grem. Ngayon ko
Oh.
lang na-realize na Jamie announced it when they were in Jeddah. He didn't announce that part when they were still in the Philippines.
Yeah.
He announced it
Yeah.
on the first day that they arrived in Jeddah for practice. So, it really kind of caught them off guard. Okay, that
Yeah.
now that I meant that part has been mentioned na okay, he mentioned it on the first day of the Jeddah. Pero
Ka-
but still,
Yeah.
'di ba?
Kasi alam mo kung bago sila dumating ng Jeddah, bago
Oh.
ilabas yung official lineup, sinabi niya na 'yan. Then, 'di ba? Then I really doubt na makakasama siya sa Final 12
O kala ko ba nasa
because
movie to?
it's hey,
Hello.
hey, we're just
Makapag-join ka ba?
Hey brother, we were just talking about Jamie
Jamie.
Malonzo. Na,
Oh.
sabi ni Coach Tim, okay, hey. Sabi ni Coach Tim, Jason Tatum did not play in the Olympics. Jamie Malonzo, that's the reasoning that I have with Jamie
Oh, yun yung
Malonzo.
reasoning
Real
niya,
quick,
parang
out of the
Who said that?
Coach
Coach
Tim
Tim.
in an interview.
Galing nun, no? That's really good PR. Good job, Coach Tim. But bullshit. Anyway, I just wanted to say I'm here. Hello. Congrats, Gilas. You guys won a game. Hopefully you guys beat. I think it's Saudi. I think it's Saudi, right?
Yes.
Yeah. I'll be there for that one. Aside from that, guys, go watch Superman. Okay. Bye.
Oh, this guy just gave an advertisement for Wow.
Di mo naman tayo sponsor ng Warner Brothers. Ay, ng Marvel. Ay, hindi. Warner Brothers pala yun. Ay, hindi.
Yeah,
DC? DC,
yeah,
DC.
something
No,
like
no.
that. I don't
Oh,
watch
anyway,
those kind of
Jamie, yeah.
movies.
More on
This
Jamie, yeah.
Yeah, no. Last thing, because we have to talk about something else. If we end up losing to Saudi, which I don't see
Oh, they
coming.
have a chance to upset us. May chance.
May chance?
Saudi.
Okay.
May chance.
How,
Pero
where's
tayo pa rin
Saudi
favored. Tayo pa
Yeah, we
rin
should
favored.
be. And interesting yan kasi parang PBA yan, nahati yung crowd. If not, lamang pa tayo. Di ba?
I feel like lamang naman tayo. I think
Lamang
like
tayo?
60-40 tayo lamang.
Okay,
Because
perfect.
Saudi beat Jordan. They only lost by 5 to China. So, may tulog. May tulog tayo.
Oh, okay.
I'm not
I
saying sila
haven't-
favored. I'm not saying sila
Yeah.
favored. I'm just saying na we have this kind of start against Iraq the same way with Saudi Arabia. Dito na natin makikita na you play stupid games, stupid things will happen, 'di ba?
Yeah, that is correct. That is correct. This is the last time now we can kind of play stupid games against Saudi. From if we beat Saudi, from here on out, it has to be your A game 100% of the game. Like if you trail 8 against Australia, bye. Bye. Kumuta mo na yung mga bata, go to sleep, go to bed because you're not coming back down 8 against Australia with the lineup that you have, with the preparation that you had. So, I'm just saying na if we lose to Saudi or if we play Saudi na lang na hinugot mo na yung lahat, 11 guys, and then si Jamie pa rin nakaupo, binubulok mo dun, then it's personal. Like it's proven personal. No PR can save you from from that decision that you're making. So Coach Tim, you're my GOAT. I think it's also your time to go from Ginebra, but that's a story for another day.
Oh,
Probably
next time na yan.
Yeah,
That's
next time na
that's
yan.
off season episode.
I think it's his time to go. That's why I'm still pissed about the LA Tenorio move. But hey, all I'm saying is probably pwede na siya mag-focus sa Gilas. But hey, that system is ancient, man. Like parang dikipad na cellphone pa yan eh. Yung triangle kumpara sa touch screen na ngayon, di ba? The iPhones and the Samsungs of the world. So maybe it's time to develop a new system for especially with the lineup that you have na wala naman si Kai.
Wait, tama ba yung sinabi ko? Did I say play stupid games, win stupid prizes? I think that's the one.
Tama.
Yeah, that's the
Yeah.
yeah. Yun
That's
talaga
right.
yun. That's yeah, and I think
Hey, to be fair,
last-
man. To be
Oh.
fair, we did not win that convincingly. Hindi rin kasi ganun kaganda yung nilaro ni Brownlee. I think
yeah,
kung si
usually he played
Brownlee,
bad na nga and yet we still won
we
convincingly.
still won.
But
So, on the brighter side, nandun yun na, okay, if Brownlee exploded, then this game tapos na siguro by the third quarter. But again, we cannot play via the hypotheticals, di ba? Dwight stepped up. Glad CJ hit a couple of baskets, di ba?
yeah.
He was good today too. So I'm happy that we won. I'm happy that we are advancing. What was that I read na parang even if we lost, we mag-a-advance pa rin nata tayo because of the quotient system.
Yeah, we're
I
still
think-
advancing. We are still advancing.
Oo.
Yeah. Wait, what are you talking about? Like anong
even
question
if
mo?
I actually no.
No. That's not
No,
gonna happen.
we had to win. We had to win pala.
We really
It
had to
was
win
there
because
was
both teams are 0-2. So it
yeah,
doesn't
tama.
matter.
Sa quotient pala yun.
Yeah, it
Never
doesn't
mind.
matter kasi one
What
win.
am I
Ang
saying?
Saudi, they still have one win over us. We're 0-3, di
Yeah.
ba? So,
Yari na naman ako
but
sa mga
that's,
basher nito.
di, okay na yun.
Uh,
Di,
Um,
nobody,
yeah, but pero still, good job of finally using the other guys, Chapit and CJ. So at least we have no, may positive tayong dadalhin into the Saudi game
yes, sa
na
11 pa ata, sa 11 in 2
yeah,
days.
in 2 days. And I think na naman to, prime time to, so baka puyatan na naman to, no, if I'm not mistaken. So you have less than 48
Puyatan ba sa
hours
tingin
to
mo?
prepare.
Sa tingin mo puyatan?
It depends kasi if
Oh yeah, oh my God.
Saudi is 5 hours behind. So if they
Sama!
schedule the game at
I hope 6
7,
o'clock. Sana 6 o'clock na lang tayo para 11.
yeah, pwede yun. Yung parang the New Zealand game, di ba? Pero
Mm.
all I'm saying is if they schedule it at 7 or at 8, kasi yun yung mga prime time di ba? Yung tapos na uwian na yung mga tao. I don't know how
Hindi ko na kaya yun, Brad. Hindi ko na
workforce
kaya.
works in Saudi. Me too.
Gulatan
I
na lang
mean,
sa umaga.
night shift ako but I can we can record in the morning. All I'm saying, man, is if they have less than 48 hours to prepare sa Saudi, this will be interesting to see. I'm really hoping na makalaro si Malonzo because he deserves it for in preparation for the Australia game. Kasi
Ito,
sila yung
Greg,
mga kalaban natin di ba?
dagdag ko lang Calvin Oftana was injured a while ago. Diba? So he got injured, his ankle. Pero let's give credit to Calvin Oftana. Calvin was a plus 21 a while ago. Would you believe? Yes, he was a plus 21. His shots were not going in, but his defense was on point. He was getting the rebounds. He was there for the runs that gave us the cushion in the second half. So kudos talaga to Calvin na despite unable to contribute on the offensive end, he was able to make up for it as evident nung nasa plus 21. But ito,
Tama.
he injured his ankle bad. It looked like it was bad. Nakita mo yung mukha niya, di ba? Parang he was
Yeah.
close to crying. If Jamie Malonzo still does not play next game, if tapos si Calvin, DNP, then I think that's theory number 2, Graham. That's theory number 2.
Right now, it's tier number 2. There's no escaping it. If you're coach Tim, but you're right. In
He really has to play him
uh,
next game. He really has to play him next game.
it's sad that we are giving Calvin a hard time. May nakita pa nga akong comment na, hey, kasi si Calvin will get going kapag nasa kanya yung bola.
5-6 shot, 5.
Sure.
This is not
If you have,
TNT. This is not TNT.
diba? Yeah, you have Brownlee, you have Junmar, you have Dwight. Give the ball to Calvin. I guess that's the that's the right option,
Hindi
right?
to TNT Kaya hindi rin yung argument na yun na. And he
That
hasn't
is correct.
proved na, 'di ba, na he deserves to have the ball in his hands to have that much shots. And he was we were passing on a lot of open shots a while ago, no? Ang daming
Scotty, actually,
Scotty din.
hindi ko maintindihan
Pasa
si
ng pasa.
Scotty.
Tira mo na kaya yun.
Like,
Marami
you
akong
had,
ganun
mga 5 siguro, 5 beses ko siguro nakita si Scotty had
He
an
passed up
open,
on,
had an open look.
3 or
Tapos,
even a layup.
di ba? Tapos pinapasa niya bigla. So, I get it that you're past first, pero, ganun talaga si Scotty. You cannot, you cannot blame him for that. But hey, wag nating kunin yung credit away from the team for beating a ranked 92 team in the world. Who, by the way, this is probably as hot as they can get from shooting behind the arc, di ba? Some of those shots are just going in na magnet ball.
Magnet, first half especially.
Si Mayfield did not even lead them sa scoring. He only had 12, di ba?
Si Ishmael ate, I remember Ishmael.
Yeah, si Ishmael had actually si Al-Zuhairi had 18 points.
Is it 8? No.
Yeah,
si Hamoudi at 13. Si Al-Zuhairi only had 8.
Al-Zuhairi.
Ay, oo nga to. Efficiency yun, tama.
I'm looking at the efficiency. Si Hamoudi had 13 points. So, this is parang this is the best basketball that they played na rin, di ba? In the whole tournament. And they still were able to win. I'd say by double digits pa rin kasi may mga late garbage time basket. So, happy for them. I think they'll beat Saudi and then it's gonna be a tough fork in the road to beat Australia. We cannot beat them with our best
One
lineup
game at a
ever.
time. One game at a time. Let's
One
just
game
beat
at a
Saudi
time.
muna. Then tsaka natin pag-usapan yung Australia.
Yeah, all I'm saying is we cannot beat them with our best lineup ever, with the most preparation ever. We naubos literally yung players natin. And now
It's
we're
okay.
facing them when we're not
Best
really prepared.
best na ngayon na inolat si Brownie para sa next games. Okay na siya. Okay, ito
Actually,
yung best time na maalat si
yeah,
Justin.
actually, parang he's due for a bad game. Okay na ngayon to
Buti
nangyari.
dito na. Buti dito na
Oo.
nangyari.
In a game that we almost didn't need him kasi Papa Dwight, by the way, was
Galing.
just grabe. But yeah, that's pretty much it, man. You have you did this to yourselves. If you beat Chinese Taipei, siguro mas magaan yung buhay, but
Oh,
you
yeah.
didn't. So here we are. Good luck, Gilas. That will be on Monday. Monday nung late night. So it's going to be Saudi. I just hope the Filipinos show up. They have
will.
been consistent.
They will.
They have been consistent. Grabe talaga na-miss nila yung basketball because hindi yata ganun ka-popular yung basketball sa Saudi if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah, for sure. Ayun.
Hey, congrats, man.
Tao dito. Guys, thank you so much for watching the podcast. Follow 5-star rating Spotify. Like, comment, subscribe on YouTube. Nico here with Graham. And
Mario, who
Mario,
just
cameo.
left the cinemas, man. Like, hey, just promoting Superman. What is that guy doing?
That guy is making me edit in between. Jokes on him, hindi ko na i-edit yun. Hindi ko nalalagay
Yeah.
3-layer panel. Pipilitin ko na lang yung
Yeah.
2 panel na lang.
Yeah,
But yeah, thank you so much guys. And as always, laban, puso.
Filipinos. Yeah.
Let's go, Gilas.
Diba? Yeah. Go bring home the gold. Adios amigos. Whatever gold that is.